Friends, now we have to learn how to find the trigonometric function 210. That means we have to find sine of 210, cos of 210, like this. And yes friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel, because here you will get solution of each problem of mathematics from class 1st to class 12 in 3 types of videos. First one is fast track answer, second one is English explanation, or third one is Hindi explanation. So subscribe our channel. Now let's see solution. Friends, now see how to find trigonometric functions of angle 210 by using circle. We have to draw a coordinate system. This horizontal line is x-axis, or we can say x-x dash. This vertical line is y-axis or y-y dash. So we have to draw a circle, especially standard unit circle. Now see, what is this standard unit circle? Its center is at the origin O, having coordinate 0, 0, and that's why this circle is standard circle. And its radius is 1 unit, and that's why it is unit circle, and so we can call it as standard unit circle. Now we have to draw an angle 210. So let measure of angle XOP is equal to 210 degree. To draw this angle, first we have to draw initial arm. It is ray OX. Here it is shown in green color. Now by measuring angle 210 degree with initial arm OX, we have to draw terminal arm ray OP, point P. This point P, where this ray OP intersect the circle, and this point P has coordinates x, y. Now we have to draw one perpendicular from point P to the x-axis at Q. Now see in figure triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, one angle is 90 at point Q because of our perpendicular drawn from P. Other angle at center O is 30. Now see why it is 30, because total angle 210, we have to subtract angle outside of this triangle, means 180. So the angle in the triangle is, the remaining angle is 30, and that's why this triangle is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. Now in triangle OPQ, OP is a hypotenuse and it is also radius, so its length is 1 unit. PQ is a side opposite to 30, so it is half of hypotenuse, and that's why it is 1/2. And side OQ adjacent to 30 is √3/2 times of hypotenuse, and that's why it is √3/2. Now see, because of angle 210, point P on terminal ray lies in the third quadrant, and that's why its both coordinates are negative. That means x is also negative and y is also negative. So value of coordinate x is equal to, OQ, distance on x-axis, but it is in negative side, and that's why it is minus √3/2. Value of y coordinate is equal to PQ, means distance on y-axis. It is parallel, PQ is parallel to y-axis, and that's why y is equal to minus 1/2. X and y both are negative because of third quadrant. Keep in mind. As we know, according to polar coordinates, sin theta is equal to y and cos theta is equal to x if it is a unit circle. So by using this rule, we can write sin 210 degree is equal to value of y, that is minus 1/2, and cos of 210 is equal to value of x minus √3/2. and tan of 210 degree is equal to ratio of sin and cos, that is 1 upon root 3. Cosec 210 is a reciprocal of sin 210 and that's why its value is minus 2. Sec 210 is a reciprocal of cos 210 and that's why its value is minus 2 upon root 3. And cot 210 is a reciprocal of tan 210 and that's why its value is root 3. Friends, solve this again in your notebook for your better understanding.